In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $7,750 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic without investing any money. Okay, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing for beginners who are new to my YouTube channel. I will show you step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one. For people who already watched my videos, I'm gonna share with you guys new affiliate service that you should start promoting on Pinterest because it's trending right now. Okay, let's get started. So I started this business from January 2024 until today, February 2024 to 21, and I will update this page so you guys can make sure it's not fake. And as you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. For people who will ask why it's showing $0 in your balance, because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account. If you started this business, when you will withdraw your money, it will show $0 in your balance. Okay, anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making some money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do, you just need to go to Google, search for Pinterest. Okay, no, first search for Fiverr. Okay, we need to search for Fiverr. This is step number 1. Search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, you will be directly in this sign up process page, as you can see. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, and your password. Account type, make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can see yes or no. Okay, choose your country and choose your language. Okay, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It will take just few minutes. It's super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go again to Google and you need to search for Pinterest. Okay, because we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links. Search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, and make sure to open business account. Okay, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. After you finish, go back to your Fiverr homepage like this. So now I will share with you guys new and trending AI service that you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Okay, click on the search for AI influencer. Okay, search for this service. Okay, a lot of people are searching, so it's trending. A lot of people are searching for how to create AI influencer. Okay, scroll down, you will find a lot of people here on Fiverr who are providing this service. Okay, so what you will do, you just need, I want you to pay attention in this step because you need to choose good sellers. So how you can choose good sellers? Choose sellers who has, like, for example, like this one, level 1 seller. He has 5 star, a lot of reviews. People like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate links and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, and this one is trendy. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. Okay, let me see. I will choose this one. This one is level 1 seller. I will just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. Okay, as you can see, So what you need to do next, you just need to copy his profile link. Okay, copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here, okay, and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go to Pinterest. Okay, so we need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Go back to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page like this. Go back to this seller profile page, click on his picture and upload this picture to your laptop. Double click, save image, okay, and save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna click on save, go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account. Open, and here you go. Your picture will be uploaded to Pinterest like this. Scroll down, you need to put here title. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, copy his title like this. You are just an affiliate marketer, you can copy those information, that's fine, that's what I do. Put this title here, description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You should see over here about this gig, okay? Copy this description. This is his description, okay? I will copy just this part. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here like this. Scroll down. We need to put our affiliate link here. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link from here and I will go back to Pinterest. I will put my affiliate link here like this. Scroll down, click on choose a board. So if you have new account, click on create a board and you can create a board. It's super easy. You just need to give it a name, okay? And you can create as many as you want, okay? So I already have a lot over here. I will choose this one, Fiverr affiliate. Scroll down. You need to put here a keyword and tags related to this service. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. Keep scrolling down. So just keep scrolling down and you should see related tags, okay? Copy those keywords, okay? Like this. Go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Go back to Fiverr, copy those keywords. Go to Pinterest, put those keywords here. Like this. After you finish, click on publish. I will click on view, let's see. And here you go, you just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. And this one is trending. You guys know that it's trending. A lot of people are searching for how to create AI influencer, AI influencer. A lot of people are searching for those how they can create like those AI influencer people like this. So you will start promoting this service. It's trending. So your picture will be like this. This is your affiliate link. This is your title, description, and that's it. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. I share with you guys I share with you one of my profitable and trending AI service that I was promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will still share a lot of profitable services that you can start promoting as a beginner to earn commission for free using free traffic. So that's it. If you have new Pinterest account, start just by promoting between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day, your account will get banned, okay? So you need to warm your account. Just between 1 and 2, stay consistent. The commission, it's depending on your work. If you stay consistent, you will get your first commission in short time. If you didn't, if you will try just this business for 1 week or even 1 month and you didn't get commission, just don't start, okay? Just don't start, because you need to stay consistent. Keep searching for different affiliate links that are trending and profitable. You need to make more research, find what people are searching for, because people are every single day searching for a lot of services. The people are on the internet are every single day, they are buying a lot of services. So you just need to find those services that solve problems for people, and you will make a lot of money. And that's it. I cannot share a lot. I don't want to make this video too much long. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and see you in my next videos.